Setting up your Cassida cube to count and sort mixed bills is easy and takes just seconds. Now that you're ready to count, you need to properly load bills for best results and to prevent jamming. Loading is easiest if you stand in front of the cube and use your thumb and forefinger to place the bills on the hopper. Place bills gently, don't jam them in. We suggest about 75 bills are the most that should be loaded. Counting starts automatically. With the Cassida cube, you have an easy way to count through mixed bills without the need of sorting and facing.